Here's a quick tip on how you can repurpose all of those empty servo boxes you have laying around. You'll need the following items: a plastic hinged servo box with a lid that snaps closed, a small roll of magnetic tape with a good adhesive on the back, a paper towel, some cleaning solution, and a pair of scissors. First, thoroughly clean the inside of the servo box. Make sure that the inside of the box is very clean and free from oil. Now cut strips of the magnetic tape so they will lay across the inside of the lid. These don't need to be exact, just eyeball them. You'll need to cut several strips to cover the inside of the lid. In this case, we needed 5 strips. Peel the backing off the first magnetic strip and stick it to the inside of the lid. Then do the same for each of the remaining pieces until you've covered the inside of the lid completely. Now you have a box that you can use to store all of the small bolts, nuts, screws, and washers needed to put an airplane together at the field. The lid will snap tight, locking everything inside, and then when you open it, the magnets will keep the hardware from rolling off onto the table or into the grass.